Nakabenta ki khobor ke ba man kasngi subscribe yo Antor News.
Kublai pi baro kini kilom ki khubor bam tagasngi. Kakin hun NPP hai ka jingelam jung konrad ke sangma haringkat ke BJP bar ki MLA Shimet kilalai banya kendu ya ulat ke jylla ban thaw sorkar. Syaban lek kendu ya ulan u konrad ke sangma national president ke NPP ula pelong ye ke jingelang haying sa jong u ya ki MLA balajab kumnu ban thaw sorkar. Haying u konrad bun ki MLA NPP bar ki independent. Ya ka kamnong yalam ha ka sorkar on shimhi u konrad ke sangma. Bantau sorkar dan kambandan ke jingbun pat balai sangut hadu mentah ke NPP ke dan arpnringut ki MLA ar ki BJP arngut independent balas nguthu bagi dan arp khandaingun. Mars ndep nyau vote ke BJP ber ke NPP ki lalum lagi jong ki MLA banya perkhat thau sorkar. Na kaliang ke BJP ber ki MLA Shimet ki ai jingkershan bantau sorkar ya ke NPP. U National President ke National People's Party Konrad ke sangma hadin baladep syang jingelang hinin kemien bad u President ke BJP Meghalaya Ernest Mauri lembat u National Secretary Ritu Raj Sinha uai khublai ke BJP Meghalaya ba aikti lem ya ke NPP bad ban ai jingkershan ya ke parti jongi bakan thau sorkar. Hai ke jingekren u konrad nong yalam ketika kenhun keseng ya ke kenhun thau sorkar bala ai kerteng parliamentary party yathu u konran. Hadu ban yo ke khubor hadin bakilami na yeng ulan omla ban ai jingtem.
Thank the people of the state for having voted for our party. We're very thankful to them. And of course, we are short of few numbers, so we will just wait for the final results to come out. And then we'll decide how to move forward.
Sir, WhatsApp trans-assessment shows that your party will become the single largest party. That's sort of the to get the absolute majority. So, what is your next move to form the government? It is also open its door for the UDP, BJP, or other parties.
Let's just see. I have not even got a chance to even meet my people. So all the thinking will start after that.
Sir, all options are open, sir.
Yeah, we'll see when the time comes. Okay. Thank you.